Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to show you how to install one of our RecPro speakers. Depending on how your trailer is set up, your installation may be a bit different than ours, but this is the basic general way to do it. It's very simple to do, should only take you about 10 minutes. The tools you'll need include a drill or a Phillips head screwdriver. You may also need some wire cutters, wire strippers, and wire connectors. But it's a very simple installation, very quick and easy to do, so let's get right into it. To start with, we'll remove the screws from the speaker using a screwdriver or a drill. Then we'll remove the speaker from the speaker housing. Then we will disconnect the wires from the speaker. If your old connectors are looking a bit worn like ours are, then snip them off and strip the wire a little bit. Then insert new connectors on the wires and crimp them down so they're nice and secure. Then you can attach the wires to the new speaker. Then insert the new speaker into the speaker housing and screw it back in using the screws that you previously removed. Once you've got everything connected and screwed back in, you'll want to test the speakers, and you can do so by just playing some music off of your sound system. And that's really all there is to it when it comes to installing a RecPro speaker. As I said, it's very easy, very straightforward, and very quick to do, should only take you about 10 minutes. If you want to know more about this product in particular, click the link in the description below. If you like this video and you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, including more instructions and how-tos, like this video and slap the subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.